Hi, this is Andy, and I'm going to walk you through a video showing you what we do to install a new high-efficiency gas furnace. You can see we put the protective drop cloths down, start getting the furnace disconnected, electrical, gas, get the ductwork disconnected so we can pull the unit out. Remove the undersized filter L. And get the old furnace out of the basement. Drilling through the siding to install the 2-inch PVC vents. The high-efficiency furnaces actually have an intake vent that brings fresh air in from the outside for the combustion process, and then the other pipe is used for exhausting the gas fumes. Bring in the new Amana high-efficiency furnace. Cutting out the side of the furnace to install the filter assembly, which is a 16 by 25 by 3 pleated media filter, and that's a MERV 8 rating. Offers adequate airflow to the furnace to help guarantee the efficiencies. Now that we got the filter all mounted, we get the furnace set up square to one corner of the ductwork so we can measure up the metal, get our metal custom made, and then reinstall it. On this job, we've got the furnace elevated due to the fact, potential a little bit of water leakage, but we always put rubber cork rubber padding under each corner, which we did have on this one above the 2x4s. That way we can help stabilize the equipment in case the floor is a little bit out of level. Eliminates any kind of vibration. PVC pipes that we previously slid in, we will get those directly connected to the furnace. Work on the gas piping. Get the metal installed and get it nice and tight so we don't have any air leakage. Leak check all the gas joints after we get everything connected to make sure that everything is safe. Installing the flex connector that connects on the cold air return helps to make sure that we don't have any issues with any kind of vibration. Installing a new digital thermostat and getting everything all programmed. Cleaning up after the job, and we always do a performance test when we are done to go through the furnace and fire it to make sure everything is working correctly and to make sure that it's working as efficiently as possible.